Hey guys, my name is Doug Meeker. I'm the CEO of Amp Ready, and I wanted to go over the installation of our product here, the liner cleaning, prosthetic liner cleaning device, and just kind of show you guys a little bit of basics about this, where she is, where it can go, how it installs into your shower, and everything on that point. So what you're going to get is you're going to get this hose. You're going to get your prosthetic liner cleaning system. The first thing I find is easy is to go ahead and attach that right here to the valve. That's going to be attached down here at the base. Once you have that attached, stick that down in the... And then the other way is easy enough, just to remove your shower head. Go ahead and get that shower head attached to the three-way valve that we provide with this. And then once you go for this, you're going to install this right up here. Get that positioning right for that valve. I like it sideways. And that's it, guys. So it's connected up here, and then that connects down here with a two-way check valve, check pump valve that'll turn on and off here, turn the shower head on and off, or the system. Or you can leave it on and keep that connected down there at the base and turn that on and off at the base itself. So check it out.